Up next, we're gonna pull out the 240 on y'all. Let's get it cracking. Peace. Cold start on the 40. Almost. Fuel's getting up.
Yeah. One more. This is it right here.
Yeah, man, today's episode's a little different, man. We doing a house episode with the homie. We're gonna check out some of his cars. And we're gonna get it cracking, man, because it's America, baby. You know what I'm saying? So, check it out. Now we in the 240, dog. Now we in the 240, y'all. You feel me? My boy got AM gauges and everything. He ain't playing. We in the top down, man. Look. Top down.
This one's more reliable.
Vertical top down. You know what I'm saying? Dipping. 240. Like no control, none of that stuff.
This, as far as the engine, I went through the whole.
that's it, y'all. Man, this car is sick, though. T37s, everything, man. Everything about this car is sick. SR20, everything, man. Even the blue lug nuts. Y'all see the blue lug nuts? Like, this car is sick, bro. Only thing the homie said he gonna do left to it, I think he said he gonna redo the interior, put some buckets in there, redo the top. But other than that, he said, yeah, the car clean. He ain't doing too much to it. Yeah, man, cool car. I drove the car before. I couldn't drive the car for this video because I wanted to give you guys the outside shots and all that stuff. But yeah, man, maybe we might start making this a thing, start pulling up on the homies' houses and going for drives, checking out different cars, you know, seeing what's out there, man, because I be seeing some 240s out there, but they're not this clean. And look at that front end, you know what I'm saying? Like, I see, like I said, man, 240s be out here, but they don't be this clean. Look at them headlights. Look at that. Like, it's fresh. Like the homie said, the only thing he does need is interior on this car. After interior on this car, it's gonna be hella clean. So, but he gonna keep it. We're gonna have more content on this car. Maybe when he gets the interior done, we'll probably do it. You know what I'm saying? Another shakedown video. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, man. Car's sick. Had to give you a little couple slow angles of it, you know what I'm saying, so you can see it in its beauty, in its natural form, you know what I'm saying. Car's super sick, man. That's so under the hood, y'all was probably like, what's that? What's powering that thing, man? Black top SR20, man, out of a S13. Now, from what I see, we got some fuel upgrades, AM lines, so fuel's upgraded, fuel pressure regulator. We got some goodies. Belts and pulleys are done. So you got that piece right there. Then we come over to the turbo manifold. Looks like it's a baby T3 or something, stock turbo that it came with. Really sick though. That's what's powering this thing, man. You said it made 3 to the wheels. Sick. That's all this car needs, is 3 to the wheels. It's a perfect car.